Yo, 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 yo. What's good? Alright, what is up, you guys? We're back with another video. I feel like it's been a while since I recorded anything, but... Alright, today, we're doing some work on the FRS for the first time, like, in a long time, I feel like it. But, it's time to do phase 2 of the FRS. You already saw the video when I unwrapped it. Are we gonna rewrap it? Maybe. Who knows? We're gonna paint it? Who knows? But... Alright, this is the FRS right now, how it looks. Yes, we're back on the stock wheels. Back on the stock wheels. You got that paper still unpainted, but so who knows, we might paint the whole car. You might wrap the whole car. I did get my replacement hood, but this is not it. This is still the damaged one. What else? That's pretty much it, you know. I still got the door handles I'm gonna remove, we still got that, but other than that, man, this car is looking clean. As you already know from the side of the video, we'll be test fitting the wide body kit in this video. I'm gonna test fit it either next week or this week or later. Well, this week pretty much. I'm gonna end up taking the car to get welded get the rear quarter panels welded, because I'm gonna cut the fronts. The thing is, I'm kind of busy with the shop. We did get a shop. I'll probably be busy at the shop, so I do want to film that, so I'm gonna have to make some time. But I have a couple of dents. I don't know where they came from. There's one right there. You can see it right there. Here's a dent right there. Yeah, right there. See? Yeah, I want to get all the dents removed in the car before we kind of move anything. I have a buddy. I'm gonna try to see if we can do it. There's a couple dents. There's a couple dents here. The quarter panel. The other door. But I'm gonna try to fix all these dents. Nothing too hard. I'm gonna go show you the kit, man. So here are the boxes. Here's the boxes directly from Japan. That's it. We're gonna test fit it. I'm gonna mask up the fenders. Mask that off with painter's tape. I have painter tape in the Z. I'm gonna have to go get that thing a bit. Mask these off just so we won't have to scratch the paint. I'm relaying it, but I want to give a big shout out to Rallyback for hooking it up. They gave me a deal on this thing. Pretty much couldn't resist, so I was in contact with them. I was going back and forth and talking to them, and we set up a deal. It's been a while since I had this kit. I'm not gonna lie. I've had the kit for a year, but so many things have happened that just not been able to put it on sooner. I got my wheels. Well, one thing was the wheels. This kit should have been on maybe I want to say 6 months ago. That's when I got the wheels. Probably less than 6 months ago. This kit should have been on since I got the wheels. I got the wheels 6 months ago or some shit like that. But that's when the kit should have got on. But that was around the time that the first got wrecked, so I kind of pushed back everything. And then we moved. Well, we moved. No, we moved. That kind of pushed it off. I wrecked that for it. The first got wrecked. I pushed it off even more. That's pretty much it. Started up the business. But yeah, it's time to get the ball rolling, man. 2019, this car is gonna be ready for the shows. Not gonna be done, you know, but it's gonna be show ready. I'm gonna just mask the fender, and then I'll get back to you guys when that thing's all maxed off. It's actually a pretty wide kit. As you can tell, I'm bringing it out over here. It's a pretty wide kit, as you can tell. This is a 85 mil. And it adds 85 millimeters to the rear fenders and 50 in the front. So it's a pretty, I'll say it's pretty wide. I believe this is wider than Rocky Body. this is what we got so far. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Like I said, this has to be shaved a bit. I might have to shave a little bit down there. I was told this kit would fit perfect, but it's not that perfect. But man, them wheels are gonna be looking nice when they pop it out to here. Like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, yeah. Shipment's pretty good. Just a little shaving has to be done, but man, this thing looks nice. Can't wait to get this thing on. But yeah, let's just keep going. I'm gonna do this piece right here. This is what we got so far. Battery's about to die, so man, kind of scared with this project now. I don't want to mess it up, but first time wide body, so I'm doing it on a budget. I'm doing it myself, so it's gonna. We'll see how it goes. Then honestly, shit. But yeah, it looks good so far, so good. I'm gonna put the last piece on here, and then I'll bring you guys back out. I'll get back to you guys when I get the rest of the kit on. So this is the whole kit itself. We are missing the side skirt goes underneath. That's still in the box. I took it off to mount it because it has the screws that protrude out, so it wasn't letting me lay it right. So took them off for now. Damn, this kit is freaking nice. Oh my god, this kit is nice. Can't wait to mount it. But there's a bunch of the kit in these boxes. Side skirts right there. The side skirt is, I believe it's in this box, the piece of the other side skirt. But this kit looks crazy, man. I might get one of my buddies to come help me. He has the same kit. Try to ask him and see if he can come help me, like drill the holes and whatnot. But hopefully he would want to help me. He does live kind of far, so hopefully we can set something up with him and help me put this kit on. I want to get this kit on, man. I want to drill the holes already. I want to cut the front fender, man. I might just leave like this overnight. Don't think it's gonna be. I think it's gonna fall off. Put more tape, and then I'm gonna take it off tomorrow. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fit the other side tomorrow. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below with this kit. Same kit as Calvin. Actually had the kit before Calvin even got his, so that was kind of like, you know. Kind of like Kelvin, it took me forever to put it on, but now it's getting put on. It's not gonna take me as long as when I'm putting it on to actually put it on. Yeah, this is the kit. We have other bits coming through, coming for the car. Fog lights, a rear, a new lip, maybe some new mirrors, some new side mirrors. Side skirt wheels are inside here. I got the sensor. Hopefully I can use the original sensors, the TPMS sensors. But next week I got to take this car to weld the rear quarter panel. So I need to hurry up and cut it. I mean, they're gonna cut the rear. Shop at Marietta. Co-Rule Workers are gonna do the work to the weld in the back. That's gonna be it for this video. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no. I don't really give a damn. I keep steering, switch gears and the fans just keep